We have HP collaborating with iFixit in creating tools for service repair shops in order to properly open up Surface devices. The sad thing is, these tools are not for consumers, they are for professional service repair shops. And they are just special tools that Microsoft ordered from iFixit, or ordered to be made by iFixit for that purpose. And it's a bit weird because there are, of course, opportunities to do this already with other tools. So it's interesting that also Microsoft, instead of manufacturing these tools themselves, is partnering with iFixit. As other outlets have mentioned it, this reeks of some kind of PR stunt. So it will be interesting to see where Microsoft and iFixit are going with this, because the Surface products were notorious for being very glue heavy. And when you read this article from The Verge that I have up here, you see also statements from iFixit that they're a bit skeptical about the whole situation. So we have to see what is going to happen with that whole situation. And yeah. But overall, it's good to see that more stuff in regards to repairability is happening, and that Microsoft is at least thinking in the direction of providing tools for that particular case. So will be interesting to see in the next year where this is going.